Hi everyone, I'm Nozipho. I'm from Durban. I've been watching the BibleProject and the videos. They're very exciting. What I love the most about them, it's how they just put the whole book in short, the review, and collectively, and give you a huge insight of what's going on with the book. By the time you go to the book and read it, you have an idea of what's going on. I love the narrative. That's beautiful. Words are powerful. So when you bring image with words, it becomes more powerful because it gives you the whole picture of what's going on. So I think I've been enjoying that. I can encourage you to watch those. They're not long, and then you can download them on your phones. If you don't have internet, I will tell you a trick. Just go to a mall. They have free Wi-Fi's. I do that. I just go to the mall and work there so that I can get a free connection. Then you can download as much as you want and then have them.